Hello, I'm Corey Walmsley and I have a box. I just got some boxes last night. I've actually managed to hold off on opening them. Was super busy yesterday evening, had a busy morning, but I am now going to open them, show you guys the first peek at the actual book, Braving the Shore. I've been talking about this book for several months. I wrote it last summer, and it's about two sisters who get together for their birthday and their worlds are completely upended when they are in an accident. And the book follows the story of Chelsea, one of the sisters, as she recovers from memory loss and tries to navigate her way in this strange world that is, her world. She's trying to figure out if she wants to continue on the path she was on or if she should just start over, if she has a blank slate now. So the story follows her navigating this difficulty as she's trying to raise her daughter, trying to take care of her business, and just trying to refine herself. So it was such a fun story to write, and I've been sharing little snippets of it off and on Facebook, and I wanted to share that I actually have an order of the books here. I got my books for my book launch next week. The books will be available to the public on June 1st, and I will be, of course, sharing all over the place about that. I'm having a live launch event in Pittsburgh at Walnut Grill in Bridgeville. So if you're interested in coming to that, shoot me a PM and let me know, and I will get you the information for that. It's a free event, so if you want to just show up and mingle and talk to the author, that's me, you're welcome to come. So without further delay, I'm going to go ahead and open my box, and I am very, very excited to see what these look like. If I can get into this. Very exciting to get a box of books, not only as an author, but also as the owner of the publishing house. So it was kind of cool seeing Aurora Borealis Publishing on all these books that showed up. Not only on the books, but also on the boxes. Oh my goodness. Here we are. There. It turned out beautiful. I'm actually going to bring this a little bit closer so you can see. So here is the book. It's the back. Yay! Thank you, Shelley. Oh my goodness, this turned out gorgeous. See the inside here. The little seashell on it. Some of the books we do, depending on what the author wants, we like to throw in something a little extra like that. And since I am extra, I definitely wanted a little seashell in there. So very, very exciting. I'm gonna tip this down so you can actually see. I have a huge box of books here. Yay! And I am so excited that, first of all, we were going to launch the ebook yesterday, but with everything going on, including some little tech issues, we ended up not launching it yesterday, mainly because the pricing was still listed wrong. So I've worked through that, and we figured out what's going on. We're now going to launch on Friday. So if you want to get a digital copy of this book, an ebook, you can pick it up on Amazon on Friday, tomorrow, on May 27th, and it will only be 99 cents. And it's my little gift to everybody who's been supporting me and cheering me on this whole time. And it's also part of my bestseller campaign. And I was hoping that lots of people would be able to get on and get the book for 99 cents and that I would be able to hit bestseller tomorrow. So I'm really excited about that. Of course, excited to let all of you guys read the book and finally see what we've been talking about all this time. It's kind of hard to talk to people about my book when they haven't read it. So absolutely make sure that you hop on tomorrow and get your copy for 99 cents. I will be putting that link out tomorrow. So if you're watching this now, if you're watching it later, make sure you check Friday morning. Just go over to my page or keep an eye out for it. And I will share the link where you can get the book for 99 cents. And then that's for one day only. So that's just a 1 day special, 99 cents. After that, it's going to go back up to $4.99. And if you're interested in the paperback book, if you want a signed copy, stop by my book launch, reach out to me, let me know. Or you can order that on Amazon or Barnes & Noble, whatever place you like to find your books. It's also going to be available as a digital copy on Barnes & Noble. But to be an Amazon bestseller, you have to sell books on Amazon. So if you're looking for a copy of the book tomorrow, make sure you hop on Amazon. And just wanted to say one more time, I am very excited to finally have these in my hands. I started writing it last summer, and it has been quite a journey. Major shout out to my team also. Karen Kapteline did the cover, and she always does such gorgeous work with that. Allison Hripp did the editing. She is a fabulous editor, so I just wanted to give a shout out to her. And also Kelly Commander, she has been doing some PR for me, and she's also been a huge supporter of the book and all of my endeavors. So thank you to her too. Also, if you've been supporting me and cheering me along the way, my girls are sitting here clapping for me. I don't know if you can hear that. But if you've been supporting and cheering me along the way, thank you so much. I've really appreciated it. And I hope everybody has a beautiful rest of the week, and join me tomorrow. I'm going to be hopping on tomorrow morning with Kelly Commander. She's going to be doing an interview with me, talking about the book and answering lots of questions about it. And don't forget to grab your copy for 99 cents tomorrow.
Is it over?